Well, here's a 1980 Drascombe Lugger ONKAHYE. Went out today for a little photo shoot with our outstanding photographer on the lens, the skipper. And she put me on the tiller and the motor and whatever else there was to do some donuts. She's coming back up on the boat lift. We got this strap lift. We use straps because the bottom can get real shallow here. If you have a cradle, you have to deal with 10 to 18 inches of cradle clearance before you can ever get a boat to float. I measured 10 inches, put her in, she floated, and we got off out into the bay a little bit where it's not much deeper, but enough to do a few circles, get some pictures. The way the strap lift works, motor on either side, winds cable, strap side to side. We've got the bow tilted up a little bit so that water will run down to the drain plug. So you can adjust, you can take another turn on the cable or take one turn off to adjust that. And then once she's all up, she's ready to sit for a while. We'll get her back on the trailer later. As the wind and chop, and the tide's going to be really low the next few days, probably like what they're calling a foot below what our low tide is. So all of this out here will be sand, so we can bring our boots out and go walking, but that'll be about the extent of that. So I hope y'all are having a great day wherever you're at. Stay warm. Talk to you later. Or if you're down south, way south in Australia, not too warm. Talk to you later.